class 74 boost converter, it means step up converter. This is same as this figure. See, this figure is same as what you had studied earlier, means step up chopper. During on time, energy will be stored in the inductor. When switch is on, this is MOSFET. Okay, you can assume any switch. During off time, inductor voltage will become opposite, and both supply and inductor voltage will be feeding the capacitor and load. During off time, capacitor will deliver the energy. In this circuit, feedback is also shown. Let us study that. For SMPS or any power supply, we need a constant voltage as much as possible. So here feedback is given. See, this is called as error amplifier, which is part of the feedback and control circuit. This is feedback, this is error amplifier, and this is the oscillator, PWM. This is an oscillator which switches on and off. If on time is more, you will get more output. Let us see the operation. What output voltage you need, that is set here at the plus input of the op amp, and a proportional part of the output voltage is given to the negative input of the op amp. Now, when the output voltage is lower than the input voltage, lower than the required voltage, means set voltage, then the output will be high. If this is lesser than this, output of this will be high. This will increase the duty cycle, so automatic correction will happen and output voltage will now become more. As this increases and this reaches the set level, now output will become low, because if this becomes equal to or say more than this, if output voltage becomes more than the set value, means DC output, okay, SMPS output, op amp output will become low now. It will reduce the duty cycle. This continuous checking and correction is there. What happens is the output voltage will just oscillate between the required value. Say if you have set here 5 volts, this will now oscillate between 4.9 and 5.1. When the output voltage becomes less than 4.9, this will become high, means this will become low, so this will become high. When the output voltage becomes more than 5, say 5.1, this will become higher than this, so this will become low. So this continuous correction is happening. So in this way regulation will happen. Now here the output voltage is always more than the input voltage, because this is boost chopper. The derivation, everything is same as step up chopper. I don't know whether it is necessary in your syllabus, but kindly memorize the output equation. V naught will be equal to Vs into 1 by d, 1 minus, okay.